Hey guys, figured since I uploaded the file of how I keep track of all my reloading, figured I'd make a video to show you how to use it. Basically, overview of this right now. This is a production log. This is just where you enter in all your information of what you loaded. Brass, here's where all the brass that you buy / pick up. Primers, powder, bullets, equipment cost if you want to, and here's where you can put your factory ammo. Now let's just start with the components. Brass, it's a simple overview. Basically the lot code, you just type in, what I do is BRS, and then type them in sequential order, so BRS1 through however many you have. Purchase date, say, just you went out and bought a bag of brass for, I don't know, let's just go with what I do, 30-06. Hornady occasion, let's just go Bass Pro, just as an example. Cost, I don't know, $60. 100 number of firings, let's just say, let's go with 5. That's brass. Primers, PRM1. Purchase date, say you went out, bought to Bass Pro and bought all the equipment you need, or all the components. 2018, description, Winchester, large rifle, Pro, cost 40 for 1,000. With this one, as you notice with brass, there was just code, date, description, location, how much you paid for it, count size, and number of firings. This gives you the total cost per case. For primers, it gives you the cost per each as well, but this gives you how many you have left. Powder is a little bit more complicated than primers because it's a little bit harder to actually know how much exactly you're putting into the case. Also, let's just go POW1, purchase date, same. Teen, description, IMR 4064. Pro, cost, let's go 27 for, and this one you put it in grains. So that gives you your cost per grain, amount you have left calculated, that's based off of the production log. Amount left actual, say you're down to the last little bit of your pound of powder, then you decide to weigh out, say you find out you have 450 grains left, and you want to know how many rounds you can get out of it. Say with 4064, I believe it's 46, let's go middle of the road, 48 grains. You get 9.375. Let's go 48 and a half, just round it up. No. Say that's too complicated. Say you want to do 10 rounds. There's your charge. Maybe that's a little bit low, so 9 rounds. I think that's still in the thing, within the window, but I'm not sure. Bullets, BUL. You can, with these lot codes, you can do whatever you want. It's just you have to use the same thing in the production log as well. Purchase date, same thing. Description, let's just go 165 grain Hornady SST. Same thing with Bass Pro. Cost, I think they're like $35 a box. for 100. So there's your total count, cost each, and your amount left. Equipment cost, you don't have to do this. This is just, I did that just for fun. Factory ammo, this one, I just did that just for personal, just so you can know whether you're saving money on it. There's your cartridge, the bullet, and the weight. Cartridge, 30-06 Springfield. Let's just get that a little bit more. Bullet type, 165 grain Hornady SST. Price, if it's $28.99 for a box of 20, and you get 20 rounds. So there's all your components and everything. Then you go to the production log, say you're going to load it today. 1-7, 2018, cartridge, 6 Springfield, cartridge overall length, 3.3 type, and this is where it differentiates between rifle and pistol. Up there, just so how many rounds you've loaded total. Lot size, say you're going to do 50 rounds. Projectile. Now these you don't want to delete from. These ones, here's where you enter in your code. So for projectile lot, go to bullets. 1, go BUL1. And when I hit enter, it will update into here. 165 grain Hornady SST. Powder lot, POW1. 4064. I'm going to do a charge of, let's just go to the minimum, 46 grains. Primer, PRM1. And case, BRS1. Okay, so there you have lot size, your bullet, powder, primer, and your case. There's your total cost per round, how much it cost you to load all of those, and how much powder you used. Factory cartridge, you type in 30-06 SST 165, and there's your savings per round, how much it would cost you if you were to buy 50 of the factory, and the difference between them. Break even is self-explanatory. You can just delete the break-even point if you want to. And if you look there, nothing changed here, but if you look here for the primers, there's 50 left, or there's 950 left, so it is subtracted. So if you're wondering, like, okay, how many of a certain primer do I have? Just go here. It'll tell you how much you've used, how much is left. Powder. It says, okay, you got 4,700 grains left. You got 0.671 pounds. Bullets, you got 50 left. And that's pretty much it for that. Oh, if you open up this little tab, this gives you your individual cost per round. So minus that. Oh, wait. Here's your total amount you spent for each individual one as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy using this. I know I like using it. It's really helpful. And I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching.